Okay, today what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of these old school 3-prongers that are right here next to a kitchen sink, or bathroom sink rather. I'm going to swap it out with one of these newer GFCIs. To follow California building code, any outlet within 6 feet of water source needs to have a GFCI to protect it. Ground fault circuit interrupter. So the first thing you do, which I've already done, but I want to make sure everyone knows, always check to make sure that there is no power to it, which we're good. There we go. Now these new GFCIs that I got here, they're very cool. You don't have to wrap it around a screw and try to screw it on the back of the receptacle, which can be a pain in the butt at times. God, man. As can this. There it goes. These new ones are really cool the way that they just have a snap. They just snap right on, which is fantastic. Okay. What I mean is this. This is your back. You don't have those screws here. So what we do have is the line. That's basically your line coming in. Now if there was 2 wires coming in, one of them coming in to power the plug and the other 2 going out to go onto another plug, that's when you'd use the bottom 2 to load. So since the line, these are the line ones because this is the only 2 wires that come into this. These are the only 2 I'm going to be using here. And this is nice and easy. Got white to white and black to black. Shove that sucker in there, snap, look at that. How easy is that? Beautiful. Shove it in, snap, all locked up, good to go. What I am gonna do though, before I screw it all in, is just go ahead and turn the power back on and test it. Okay, I just turned the power back on the breaker. Looks like we got power. Oh yeah, we're good to go. See how easy that was? And we're back. I'm gonna go ahead and test this again before I put my hands near it. You see there's no power to it, so it's safe to put my hands on. And there's the snug. We got the cover. Brand new plug, brand new cover. That fits. Don't mind my purple finger. I always leave these things straight up and down. They gotta be the same though. Beautiful. One more thing I do need to add to this. In the package of the GFCIs, since this does not have a ground wire to it, you are required to put one of these little stickers on it that says no equipment ground. That is California rule there. That way the people know that it will shut off here. That's about it.